Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Today we're talking about one of the most misunderstood predators in the wild, often dismissed as a scavenger, but actually one of the smartest, most adaptable canines on the planet. Yes, today's topic is the jackal, so without wasting any time, let's get started. As the sun sets over the African savanna, a slender shape slips silently through the tall grass. Ears sharp, eyes alert, moving with quiet purpose. Most people barely notice it. Few are still respected. But this animal is one of nature's most successful, most intelligent survivors. This is the jackal. Today, we uncover the real story behind this clever, endlessly adaptable predator. Jackals are medium-sized members of the canine family, closely related to wolves, foxes, and domestic dogs. There are several species found across Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia and southeastern Europe, including the black-backed jackal, the side-striped jackal, and the golden jackal. Adult jackals typically weigh between 7 and 15 kilograms, with a lean, athletic build suited for both speed and endurance. Their long legs, pointed ears, and bushy tails give them a distinctive silhouette, easily recognizable even from a distance. Despite their reputation, jackals are far from simple scavengers. They're skilled hunters in their own right, equipped with sharp senses of hearing and smell, quick reflexes, and impressive stamina that allows them to travel long distances in search of food. Different species occupy different habitats, from open savannas and grasslands to semi-arid deserts, and even mountainous regions, a testament to just how adaptable this animal truly is. The jackal's reputation as a scavenger isn't entirely wrong. It's simply incomplete. Jackals are true opportunists, willing to eat almost anything available, which is a major reason for their widespread success. When larger predators like lions or hyenas make a kill, jackals often wait nearby, darting in to grab scraps once the main feeding is finished. This scavenging behavior plays an important ecological role, helping clean up carcasses and prevent the spread of disease across the landscape. But jackals are equally capable hunters. Working alone or in pairs, they prey on small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects, using speed, patience, and remarkable coordination to catch prey that would seem well beyond their size. In fact, mated jackal pairs are known to hunt cooperatively, sometimes taking down prey considerably larger than themselves, such as young antelope, through coordinated teamwork and clever use of terrain. Their diet also includes fruit and plant matter, particularly during seasons when animal prey becomes scarce, giving jackals a nutritional flexibility that few other predators can match. Unlike many canine species, jackals are famous for forming long-term monogamous pair bonds, often mating for life. These bonded pairs work together closely, sharing hunting duties, territory defense, and raising their young as a coordinated team. Jackal pairs maintain and defend a shared territory, marking boundaries with scent and vocal calls to warn off intruding rival pairs. This territory provides consistent access to food, water, and safe denning sites, which is essential for successfully raising a litter of pups. After a pregnancy of around 2 months, a female jackal gives birth to a litter typically ranging from 2 to 6 pups within an underground den, often a burrow dug by the parents themselves or repurposed from another animal. What makes jackal parenting particularly interesting is the role of helpers. Older offspring from previous litters sometimes remain with the family group for a period, assisting their parents in guarding and feeding the newest pups before eventually leaving to establish their own territory. This cooperative family structure significantly increases pup survival rates. Jackals are highly vocal animals, using a wide range of calls to communicate across their territory. Their distinctive howls and yips can carry for considerable distances, used to reinforce pair bonds, warn off rivals, and coordinate movement between family members. Beyond vocal communication, jackals rely heavily on scent marking, using urine and specialized glands to leave detailed information about identity, territory boundaries, and reproductive status for other jackals to detect. Their intelligence is frequently underestimated. Jackals display remarkable problem-solving abilities, adapting their hunting and foraging strategies based on the specific environment and prey available in their territory, and quickly learning to avoid areas of human danger. such as traps or roads with heavy traffic. In regions close to human settlements, jackals have shown a particular talent for adapting their behavior, becoming more nocturnal to avoid human contact while still taking advantage of accessible food sources, a flexibility that has helped them thrive even as landscapes around them change rapidly. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, jackals occupy a genuinely risky position within their ecosystems, caught between being predators themselves and prey for larger carnivores. Lions, leopards, hyenas, and large birds of prey all pose threats to jackals, particularly to young or inexperienced individuals. This constant pressure has shaped much of the jackal's cautious, highly alert behavior throughout its life. Competition with larger predators for food is a constant challenge as well. Jackals often must wait patiently at the edges of a kill, ready to retreat instantly if a larger, more dominant animal returns, balancing the risk of confrontation against the reward of an easy meal. Yet despite these pressures, jackals have proven remarkably resilient. Their adaptability, intelligence, and cooperative family structures allow them to survive and even thrive in environments where competition for resources is intense and constant. As human development continues to expand across Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe, jackals increasingly find themselves living in closer proximity to people than ever before. In many regions, this has led to genuine conflict, particularly with farmers, as jackals are sometimes known to prey on livestock, especially young or vulnerable animals, when natural prey becomes scarce. At the same time, jackals often provide meaningful benefits to human communities, helping to control populations of rodents and other pests that can damage crops and spread disease. Currently, most jackal species are not considered endangered, and in fact, some populations have expanded in certain regions, partly due to the decline of larger competing predators such as lions and leopards across parts of their historical range. Wildlife researchers continue to study jackal populations closely, working to better understand human-wildlife conflict and develop strategies that allow both jackals and local communities to coexist more successfully. The jackal has long lived in the shadow of Africa's more famous predators, often dismissed as a lesser scavenger rather than recognized for what it truly is. In reality, the jackal is a masterclass in adaptability, an intelligent, resourceful hunter, a devoted lifelong partner, and one of the most successful mid-sized predators anywhere in the world. Clever, resilient, and endlessly underestimated. The jackal deserves far more credit than it usually receives. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning about the jackal as much as I enjoyed making this for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who loves wildlife, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments, which animal should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.